In our review video of the Thinking P16, I mentioned that the battery wires were bending at quite a sharp angle. At that time, I didn't know how to avoid this, but now I do. Thanks to Dawn for suggesting that I flip the battery around the other way. For it to work, I replaced this zip tie and repositioned it closer to the all-in-one flight controller board. There is now plenty of wire length to plug in a battery. The balance connector can be folded back and tucked away. That looks a whole lot better.